my channel, like always. Okay, so today we are going to change a not oil filter, but the air filter for the 2017 Lexus is200f Sports. So this pretty straightforward, no tools are required. But anyways, yeah, no, this is not a Lexus. This is my 08 Acura TSX, which I am working on. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get straight to the job at hand here. So like I said, we don't need any tools for this. It's just clip-ons. Go ahead and get started on it. So we're gonna move this box here. Alright. So hopefully you guys can follow along if you can. So this is the part that you'll be needing. Alright. So I'm going to start removing this clip. Unfasten this clip. Just lift it up. Pull out the old ones. Comparison. Nasty. And new. Alright, so you're going to install according to this angle. There's nothing in there. That was it. So just like so. Let's put everything back. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and clip 4. That was it, guys. That wasn't so hard, was it? Less than a couple minutes. Anyone can do this. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and any comments you might have. And I'll be happy to answer if I can. Alright guys, take care and see you later.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.